There we go, time to find a spot.
Looks nice.
It's so wobbly. I can hear everything move. Perfect.
That looks gorgeous there.
I'm sorry?
That looks gorgeous there.
Oh, should we go here?
The area. Do you
Try
think?
this.
Well, then wait here. Beep, beep. Well, this way. This way.
Oh. Right, I'm going to turn you off. I'm going to see if I can get level. I use the spirit level on the phone. And catch up with you shortly. So this is the entrance. It's check-in at 1 and leave by 10 a.m. But if you pay £5 extra, you can come in from 9 a.m. and you can check out for an additional £5 at 5 p.m. So the site is absolutely vast. This is Round Pond. The site is huge. Being an ex-RAF site, there's the water tower. I'll show you a few of the features. I will walk around it and we'll dig out some of the areas where we might see the bunkers where the WAF ladies were stationed, and that the Czechs, the US Air Force and the RAF were based here. This is RAF Beaulieu, or was. Just an incredible location, a good find. The site is just immense. These are the people that obviously work here. Reception, very friendly people. Challenge for this morning is to assemble a camper, a Dometic camper 3-panel windbreak. So I've just put one up. There's no instructions. They're 5 feet panels, and I'm using these screws. You can drill them in and you can drill them out. They're a 13mm bolt. I got these from, I got them on eBay. They did sell them in, apparently in Lidl, but they sold out. So next best thing, I'm just going to carry on assembling it and see how we get on. I'm finding it's easier to put these on first and then the tops on after, so they get held in. But I put another one in. That's one panel up. Wasn't too difficult. At least you can do it on your own. It's a bit blowy, but I tied. As you can see, I tied the first one to the van so it didn't go wandering off. Oh, it's a bit like Meccano, that was. But it's absolutely rock steady, and it is blowing a little bit. Just to show you, I know you can have these on the inside. I prefer to have them on the outside so there's no trip hazard inside. But there's a gap here, so these supports have to go this side. And what I found is to actually trap that one underneath the horizontal, like I've done there, means that the supports can't come off. But it's absolutely, really, really solid. Very, very impressed with that. The last one was a bit of a devil. I didn't think it was like 4 inches too long on the top, but it actually did tension up, and so that's okay. So I don't need to tie it to the van anymore. So it's probably the wrong way around. I see a lot of people have them with the supports on the inside, but it just means that there's no trip hazard here. So this is a Pro Windbreak 3, very steady. It's lighter than the inflatable. I like the inflatable, but just watching the weight, it could slip down a little bit, but it's allowing the air through a bit, and I've got one missing here. But very impressed. It wasn't too bad considering there was no instructions. A few mistakes, but we all do that as we're going along. Aren't they great? An extra £5 and you can leave by 5. So it just gives extra time to enjoy the surroundings.
It's lovely.
And they sell coffee and supplies at the reception.
We're going to have a walk into Brockenhurst, which takes about 40 minutes, is it? 40
Yeah,
minutes to walk
about 40
in?
minutes.
Yes. So
And the
some
pig,
really nice
the pig
pubs
hotel.
There's the pig hotel nearby.
That's about 25-30 minutes away, just down the road. You probably can't hear them. There's all the animals. Yesterday, the herd of cows. Did I photograph them? I think I did take some pictures of those. Very entertaining, very loud, as the mothers are calling the calves and vice versa. Lots of cycle routes. Apparently there's 100 miles of cycle routes around the forest.
Yeah.
So
It's quite a busy camp with people coming in and out, isn't it? Walkers, not just people staying here, but it's like there's some orienteering going on.
yes, I saw half a dozen girls talking to a guy up at reception earlier, saying, "We're a bit lost, can you help?" Poor things.
Yeah.
But they're all carrying their maps and their backpacks.
Well, it's a lovely place to explore, that's for sure.
Yeah, I think this gives a really good idea as to how big the site is. I think they say on the outer perimeter this is where a lot of the buildings were, where the accommodation was around the airfield. And I think I found in the middle the ancient burial mound there, just behind the Mini. It's quite fun to find these places.
You've got lovely walks either side where dogs can go off the lead, can't they? Have to be on the lead in the
In the campsite.
But one to the right there.
Yes.
There's some really lovely trails.
Just so much space. And there's just lots of walks, isn't it? You can explore as far as you can see.
Again, yeah, I might take her.
Should we go off down through one of the pathways?
Yeah, and I'll take her.
Oh, I don't know if you can see behind the tents over there. That's the water tower. 50,000 gallons of water still servicing the site. I'll follow you through the bracken. Time for a bike test. I haven't taken it on the back of the motorhome before. A new experience. This is brilliant. Oh, look at the size of that track over there. It's huge. So, looking at the map, up here is the toilet and shower block. There's another one over there. Let's go and take a quick look. Hopefully it's not too noisy with the wind. What an amazing spot. So gents on the left, ladies on the right. Black waist. Showers. Washing up. Oh, this is great. So first test seems successful. Here we go, back we go. Caution speed ramp. A beautiful day in the forest. Lots of bird singing. Probably can't hear it because it's muffled by the speaker. Microphone, not speaker. Baby changing facility. Recycling. Drinking water. And they have more of these facilities across the site. And apparently, as the site fills during the summer, as it gets busier, they open up more shower blocks and facilities around the site. So we go cross country. beautiful. Ah, that's the first trip out, the bike rack and the bike. Seemed to work. So, I'm getting close. Ooh, bang, bang. Hopefully they can. Let's just turn right here. Turn right. Time to check Google Map. So, lots and lots of concrete underfoot around here. So that looks like an entranceway here. Potentially. This is sort of the location, so that's all concrete as you can see underfoot here. So it's either a base or the roof of the bunker. But this is the location approximately. See, this is all concrete. Nothing's growing on it. And the heather is all built up. I will do, what, 3 words? So if you fancy coming to explore, you join me in my quest for finding the Battle HQ bunker. Back at Roundhill. What a lovely sight. I keep saying that. Stop recording. Oh, well, this was a fun weekend.
Do you know, it was really lovely. We hadn't been to this one before. We'd heard about it, but we couldn't find it, could we? We drove past it twice. But it is just beautiful. It's huge, it's spacious, it's not particularly busy at the moment.
No, it's ideal.
But would you come back here again?
100%.
Yeah, I would. Without a doubt.
I do want to find the airfield, and I want to see if I can find the bunker. I love exploring.
Unfortunately, we've got a little bit of an old willow here, so she couldn't. We went out for a long walk this morning, and she's struggled.
She was hobbling back a little bit.
So we had to carry her for a bit. So you went off on your own. You disappeared for seemed like ages.
No, it was fun. I did enjoy it, but then I got too hot and I gave up.
I did hope you didn't get lost.
No, that was your brother yesterday. Oh yes, oh, yeah. He put in the postcode and ended up in Beaulieu, I think it was.
Yeah, it took him an hour and a half to find us.
Yeah, it should be half an hour.
Yeah.
But
anyway, but this is a really, really fabulous campsite. The wardens are amazing. They come around and check on you, see if there's anything you need, if you've got everything, if you need to find anything. They're just
very helpful.
So lovely. They're always litter pitting. No.
Litter picking.
Litter picking. And so that the whole site is kept so so well.
It's immaculate.
Nice, clean, tidy.
It's one of the best sites I think we've been to so far. I really like this. This is nice.
I haven't used the showers here because I tend to use ours. But
I did have a look. They're
you
big.
did,
They're like
yeah.
drenched showers.
Yes, which is
They're really
nice.
nice with a changing area beforehand, and the loos are mega clean.
Yeah.
And as the season goes on, they open up more shower blocks.
Yes.
There's no power, but there obviously is to the shower blocks, the loos. There's hot and cold water everywhere. There's washing facilities.
But definitely.
Yeah, no,
we'll come
this has
back
been
again.
great. This has been absolutely fantastic. Lots of wildlife.
Yeah, definitely worth coming back to.
And where are we going to go next?
Pub stop off. I think
Yeah,
a little
I fancy a pub
stop
stop
over.
off. Mm.
We're catching up with some friends. I think next weekend. Haven't decided on the pub yet, have we? But
I think I know where I'd like to go.
okay, dear. Is that
But we'll keep that. No, we're going to keep it secret until next time.
Yeah.
But it's been fun. I hope everyone had a nice weekend. But if you've got any comments, we do welcome them. We answer everybody.
Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.
Thanks very much, and see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.